Have you noticed that Midjourney won't show you a seed number on an upscaled image? You can react with the envelope, but nothing shows up. This only happens in version 5, and it's not a bug. It's because the seed number on an upscale has actually never mattered. The only seed number that matters is from the original grid. And that's the most important thing you need to know about seeds in Midjourney. I'll show you here how in version 4 you could get the seed number of an upscale, but when you include it in your prompt, it doesn't actually take you where you were aiming. Here I have the canary in the coal mine, version 4. I liked number 4 because it looked different than the other 3. So we're going to add a reaction and we're going to use the envelope emoji. If you don't see the envelope emoji here, you can search for it and make sure you're choosing the plain envelope emoji. We just got a new message and it's telling us that this is the seed of our picture, but I'm telling you that is false. That doesn't matter. To show you anyways, we included the seed number, and now what you would expect is that we would get more pictures that look like this, kind of that poster advertisement feel. And we're gonna be disappointed. These are not what we were looking for, although it's kind of funny that he's wearing a hard hat in number 4. I like that. So how do you get consistent images in Midjourney? That's the neat part. You don't. Consistency is not built into Midjourney as a feature. Well, I mean, kinda. Check this out. Portrait of an Instagram model, glitch core style. We get these 4 ladies. We react with the envelope emoji, and it gives us our seed number. We input the same prompt with that seed number, and we get the same pictures. Great, working as intended. I don't think this is an exact science, but finding consistency depends on how much you change your prompt. Here's the same prompt, but I included the word sad. Seed number, same as before. Now, what do you notice? 2 of these girls are from the previous generation. Not all of them though. 2 and 3 were the same. Here they are. There she is, there she is. Number 1 and number 4 are different. So is that consistent? What do you think? I changed the adjective to happy and they're smiling, but now this girl is down here. She used to be in number 2. So, well, what does that mean? I don't know how you could ever rely on consistency using the same seed number. Portrait of an evil Instagram model. She's back in number 3, and we have this girl from before who used to be in number 3, but now she's in number 4. You can't get consistency in Midjourney. Please don't let anyone tell you otherwise. And look what happens when we change the prompt up just a little bit more. Instead of glitch core, we go with ukiyo-e, and these are completely different girls. You cannot take something and see it in different prompts. Midjourney just does not work like that right now. I tried full body portrait of the glitch core style, and I don't recognize any of these people. Same seed number. However, this is kind of interesting. Portrait of an Instagram model, glitch core style, same seed number, but we changed the aspect ratio. We made it wide, and there she is. I recognize her in number 2. So it's interesting that there's any consistency at all, but the consistency itself is inconsistent. If you're a sports fan, I'm sure your favorite team has a player exactly like that. Consistently inconsistent. So sometimes you don't change the prompt at all and you can't find consistency. Sometimes you change the prompt a little and you maintain a bit of consistency, a bit of a moldable generation. And then once you change the prompt some more, all consistency basically fades away. Let me show you some examples. Love this prompt too. Cell shaded portrait of an Instagram model, glitch core style, multi-prompted anime with a weight of 0.5. Look how good number 1 is. I tried stained glass portrait with the same seed number. I don't recognize any of these people, but check this out. Stained glass with a weight of 1.3, glitch core, same seed number. And is that her in number 3? The only one that has shown up more than a couple of times? What am I supposed to make of that? What do you think? Am I missing something? Or is the idea of using seeds to find consistency kind of pointless? And then I was wondering, what would happen if I re-rolled this prompt? Is that familiar girl gonna show up? She's not here, and she's not here. I don't know. Let me show you one last example. Selfie of an Instagram model, steampunk aesthetic. What I was thinking here is that if we found the seed number of these girls, we could then change the aesthetic and hopefully see them just wearing different types of clothes, a different style. We get the seed number, we change it to cyberpunk aesthetic, No similarities at all. Just changing the prompt a little can completely throw off the consistency of your seeds. Buyer beware. Don't let anyone tell you that the key to consistency has to do with seeds. It's just not real. Unless I'm missing something, please fill me in. Hope you're doing well. Take care. See you next time. Peace.